Hello everyone, Grant Denney here with Scooty Wraps, and today we're going to be wrapping the 9-bot by Segway kick scooter here with my assistant Carly. And we finally got the wrap made for it, so let's go ahead and try to put it on and see how it goes. If you've purchased a Scooty Wrap online, this is what you're going to be looking out for in the mail, one of these tubes here. Inside the tube is your rolled up wrap as well as wrap instructions. Okay, so once you've taken your wrap outside of the tube, this is what it's going to look like. Two 52-inch wide by 8-inch wide strips of vinyl. The top layer of the vinyl is application tape, and it's just used to keep your wrap safe in packaging in transit. So where do we start? The first thing we're going to do, you don't have to do it, but I find it easiest to cut out each piece. So I'm going to cut out each piece roughly, and I'll be right back. Now that all these pieces have been roughly cut out real fast, we are going to start with the neck piece. I like to start with this piece just because it's the biggest and changes the look of the scooter the quickest. Before you put on any of your vinyl pieces, be sure your scooter is incredibly clean. This one's brand new, so I don't need to clean it, but any scooter that's been ridden around in the dirt, be sure to get all the dirt off or else your stickers aren't going to stick. Your vinyl is 3 layers. You have the top application tape, you have your layer that is your actual wrap, and then you have an underneath layer that your wrap is on top of. So when we work with each piece, we're going to start by holding down your vinyl design while pulling off the application tape. And this is how it will look once the application tape's off. Okay, so like I said, I just started with the scooter neck piece, and all that I've done so far is very lightly press it on to the face of the scooter, and I aligned it with the screw holes at the bottom of the neck. Once you get your alignment perfect, then you can start applying more pressure because that's where it's going to stay. Once you have it aligned perfectly, you start working around one edge of the scooter at a time, making your way around one side. Applying more pressure once you know the alignment's perfect. If you mess up or you get any cracks, don't worry about it. The bubbles, just simply re-pick up the vinyl and try again. You get tons of attempts, really good vinyl, really forgiving. So I'm gonna work on this piece slowly around one side at a time, lightly pressing. There's air channels in the vinyl, so here's some cracks down here at the bottom. I pick it up, I replace it, now they're gone. Slowly working around the scooter. Now I'll go to the other side. The line's on the back, hugs itself, and apply more pressure. Got some cracks, you just pick it up and replace it. Okay, so next I'm going to start with the, I call it the front cap. So alignment doesn't have to be perfect, just keep guessing until you get it. Start at the front and check alignment in the back. Actually really good, so I'm going to press it down harder to make it permanent. Okay, so the fender piece, again, we just peeled off the transfer tape, left the piece that we want underneath, peel that off, and save that for later. Again, our scooter's really clean, and we're gonna try to line it up the best we can and place it lightly. Once we like the placement, you can start pressing down harder, and that will make it so your vinyl will actually stick. And work out all the air bubbles. Cool, same for next side. Holding down transfer tape, peel up the sticker, line it up. See, I didn't do too good of an alignment right there, so I'm just gonna peel it right back up Try again. Messed up again. Keep peeling it re-up and replace it. Cool, now I'm happy, so I press down. Oh, I made a huge crease right there. So I have to peel it back up. Slowly press back down. Now it's great. Cool, next piece. So I think the wrap is starting to look really good, starting to come together. Just gonna put on a few more pieces right now. I'm not gonna film every single one, just because, you know, they all go on the same. Just take your time and you'll get all those air bubbles and cracks out, I promise. The finished 9-bot Es4 electric kick scooter wrap. It's not perfect, for example. Still making some adjustments. This is version 1.0. Will be available soon on the website in perfect form, but here it is, check it out. I think it turned out pretty sweet. Of course, you can always do something custom with us, Scooty Wraps, or, you know, order one of our already pre-designed wraps. Sweet. There it is. Have a good day, everybody.